This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. The Rolex waiting list functions more as an interest list rather than a strict first-come, first-served queue. Additionally, any waitlist for Rolex exists solely at the individual store level. There is no overarching company-wide list. Due to varying supply levels, certain models may experience longer wait times than others. For many aspiring Rolex owners, the path to acquiring one is not as straightforward as walking into a store. The Rolex waitlist, shrouded in secrecy and fueled by rumors, has become a formidable obstacle. In today's video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will cut through the hype, exposing the realities of the waitlist and offering insights into the factors that truly influence how long you might wait for your dream Rolex. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, we encourage you to do so to stay updated on our future videos. In the heyday of Rolex shopping, before the current frenzy, you could easily buy almost any Rolex model, except perhaps the elusive stainless steel Daytona. Nowadays, things have changed dramatically. There is a common misconception about a universal Rolex waitlist. It is more about personal connections and your relationship with local dealers. Building a rapport matters more than just being on a list. If you are eyeing a coveted steel sports model in 2024, here's a pro tip. Avoid cold calling every dealer. Rolex dealers prefer personal visits, and local loyalty still counts. When you visit, be clear about what you want. Vague requests will not get you far. Rolex Daytona. Let us delve into the Rolex Daytona lineup, a graph reserved for VIPs. Waiting times vary significantly. The fan-favorite Panda model ranges from 2 to 8 years, commanding a substantial 132% premium over MSRP in the market. Its black version is slightly lower at a 92% premium. Shifting to the two-tone Daytona, the wait narrows to 6 months to 2 years, with a modest 10% premium. For those interested in the solid gold Daytona, expect similar wait times but a 20% markup on the secondary market. Historically, even before the current hype, Daytonas have always been highly sought after. From pre-ceramic models to present-day editions, they consistently trade above their retail price. Rolex Submariner. As for wait times, they vary widely. For a stainless steel Submariner with a black bezel, you might wait anywhere from a quick 3 months to an endurance-testing 2 years. These models often sell for a significant markup over retail. This starburst finish version can have a waiting period of 6 months to 3 years, with a notable price increase. The solid gold Submariner is more relaxed, with wait times ranging from none to about 10 months, and no markup on the secondary market. In recent years, wait times for Submariners have generally decreased. The longest you might wait is around 2 years, but many are getting their watches in under a year. Rolex GMT Master 2. Let us start with the Rolex GMT Master 2, beginning with the Pepsi model, which rivals the Daytona as one of the hardest to acquire. Expect a waiting period of approximately 3 to 5 years and prepare for a markup of 110% above MSRP, which is more than double the retail price. Moving on to the Batman model, the wait time decreases to 1 to 4 years with a 60% markup. The Root Beer model offers somewhat easier accessibility, ranging from 6 months to 3 years with an 18% increase. Similarly, the Black and Gray model commands a premium of about 16% over MSRP within the same time. For those interested in the solid gold GMT Master 2, the situation varies widely. Wait times can range from no wait to up to 10 months, with markups ranging from 0 to about 8%. Those seeking these luxurious models might find luck walking into a store and purchasing one immediately, depending on availability and store policies. Retailers are aware of the secondary market demand and the potential profits, especially with popular models like Pepsi. While Pepsi is highly sought after, do not be discouraged if a retailer mentions a long wait time or uncertain availability. Regarding rumors about production issues with Pepsi models, it is wise to take them with a grain of salt. Rolex Day-Date. Let us simplify things with the Rolex Day-Date. For the stainless steel Day-Date 41 with a fluted bezel, waiting times range from 2 months to 3 years, accompanied by price markups of 10% to 40% over MSRP. Opting for the smooth bezel version reduces the wait to a maximum of 2 years, with premiums ranging from 10% to 28%. The smaller 36mm version with a fluted bezel may require up to a year to obtain, possibly with a higher premium of up to 38%. Conversely, the 36mm smooth bezel version has the shortest wait time, from as little as a few weeks to 10 months, with a similar premium. Two-tone and ladies' Day-Date models generally have no waiting list and no additional cost on the secondary market, offering a broader choice. If you fancy a Jubilee bracelet or distinctive minty fresh or blue dials, they remain popular choices. For the ladies' day-date, the situation is straightforward. You can walk into a store, choose your preferred model, and pay the listed price without needing a prior history with the brand. Rolex Explorer. The Explorer 36mm model is quite accessible with waiting times ranging from a month to a year, and there is virtually no markup above MSRP. The Explorer 42mm extends the wait from a few months to 2 years, with a substantial 133% markup. The Explorer 2 requires a wait of 5 months to 3 years, but with a more modest 20% markup. For those who prefer immediate gratification, exploring the secondary market or opting for pre-owned watches can be a savvy choice. This approach can often lead to better deals or savings, appealing especially to watch enthusiasts looking for that perfect piece without the wait. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Let us focus on the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, particularly the turquoise model affectionately known as the Tiffany. This watch is reserved for high-profile individuals, with a waiting period of 2 to 5 years and an impressive 146% premium above MSRP. The 36mm variants follow closely, with a 100% markup and similar wait times. The Celebration dial, also in VIP territory, ranges from 1 to 5 years with a 13% markup. Moving to the Oyster Perpetual 41 with the Celebration dial, expect a 3 to 5 year wait and a 205% markup. Looking at more readily available models, the 36mm or 41mm with a green dial can be acquired in 2 months to 3 years with a 43% markup. Similarly, the silver or black dial versions of the same sizes range from 2 months to 3 years with markups between 10% to 35%. As observed with the day-date, watches featuring distinctive dials command higher premiums, and unique dials can significantly increase a watch's appeal and value, especially at auctions. Rolex waitlists are driven by a combination of factors. Primarily, they stem from the imbalance between high demand and limited supply. Rolex is renowned for its meticulous production process, producing an estimated 1 million watches annually. However, this falls short of the growing global demand for these luxury timepieces. Secondly, Rolex relies on a network of authorized dealers who maintain their waitlists rather than a centralized company list. These authorized dealers prioritize customers with a proven purchase history, fostering loyalty that can significantly influence wait times. This approach also serves a strategic purpose. The wait itself often amplifies the desire for the watch and encourages repeat business with the AD, thereby benefiting Rolex's overall business strategy. Many individuals have encountered negative experiences with Rolex authorized dealers and may opt out due to the hassle, wait times, or uncertainty. Purchasing a watch at the current market price from a reputable gray market dealer is a choice we endorse wholeheartedly. What are your impressions on the Rolex topic we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.